Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Gold is on a tear at the moment, doing really well. With everything that's going on around the world, bit of uncertainty. Gold seems to be the asset class at the moment, at least, as investors seek a safe haven asset. Or is it? Now, just before we get going today, let's have a look here at the disclaimer statement there. Please note our license numbers. In addition, past performance is no guarantee of future results. General advice only. I'm only licensed to give you general advice. All right, so as long as we're clear about that, general advice only. Let's have a look. Here's a website here, very useful, abcbullion.com.au. Now look at the gold spot price here in Australian dollars. And you can see since 2004, it was below 1,000 Australian dollars. Look at it now. It's over 4,000, approaching 5,000 Australian dollars an ounce or higher. Very impressive. So the question then is, well, how do we find those top quality gold stocks? How do we find them? Using VectorVest. And so without further ado, let's do this. I'll just bring up VectorVest here, and I'll just minimize myself down the side here. So in VectorVest, we have a tool called Unisearch. What Unisearch does is it allows us to rank, sort, and screen stocks for given criteria. In this case here, gold criteria. So let's do this. Let's click on Gold Stocks Superstars. So what the search does here is it finds stocks in the gold industry where they've got good upside potential and good fundamentals behind them. I won't get into all the details here. If you take out a trial to VectorVest, you'll find out a lot more about how this all works. Suffice it to say, it will find you some of the best gold stocks out there. If I run the search, I can show you more. I'm just going to limit it to the top 5. All right. So if you want to see the rest, take out a trial, test it out for yourself. Here are 5 that we can look at. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to graph these 5 given stocks. All I want you to do is look at it as follows. Look at it as follows. Look at the price and look at this indicator here called EPS. I'll just right click on this. All the functionality in VectorVest makes it really easy to do. We're looking at price and we're looking at earnings. This is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. So as those earnings continue to increase, we see time again, rising earnings, rising share price. You can see here Evolution Mining, earnings are going up. The price of Evolution Mining is going up. And this is in a good part of this is to do with the fact that the spot gold price is going up as well. Of course, there's many other factors in play here too, but look at the earnings here. Brilliant. Look at the next one here. RMS, great earnings as they came up here. Earnings have sort of flatlined a bit. We want to wait for the next kick up, but strong correlation there again. Look at this one here, GMD. Brilliant. Up go the earnings, up goes the share price. We're waiting for the next kick up to go up again. RRL, really good uplift in the earnings here. Up it goes. Little bit of a bias to the downside here. Notice it just it's just going down slightly and the share price is coming down slightly. So I probably want to just wait on this one to make sure the earnings are coming back up again. And the same with this one here, Gold Road Resources. A little bit of a tick down to the downside there, but very strong correlation between those two here. So my pick at the moment would be Evolution Mining. And again, please, no personal advice. I cannot advise you personally. But of all the companies that we analyze here at VectorVest in the gold industry, certainly Evolution Mining's earnings are going in the right direction. We're seeing the price coming up very nicely. The power of the VectorVest tools here, I don't have to spend ages and ages going to look at all the different gold stocks. There are many gold stocks in the Australian ASX market here. Not all of those gold stocks stack up. Not all of those gold stocks are going to be high performers. Many of those gold stocks are not producing gold and they're not selling gold onto the spot market. They're still exploring for gold or seeking, environmental accreditations to start mining. So they're seeking resource consent. They're seeking bank financing to get their financing underway to start a mine, for example. So you want to avoid companies that are not in the game of producing and selling gold when the spot price is going up. You'd rather chase after those companies that are producing gold and able to benefit from the rising spot price. Now, look, a very general statement. Of course, there's a whole lot of different factors in play there. But generally speaking, that's what we're doing here at VectorVest. We're bringing the best combinations of fundamentals and technicals to your fingertips each and every day. In this particular case here, the best combination of fundamentals and technicals for the gold stocks. Evolution Mining is the one right here as of the 20th of February 2025 that stacks up currently. Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.